Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'm going to highlight modern rugs. Now, this beautiful rug below me is a great sample of a new type of modern rug called a grass design. And what you see with a lot of modern rugs is that they try to emulate a lot of aspects of nature and to implement them in their design. So, for example, when you look at this rug, this is supposed to emulate how an entire grass field looks like. That's why you have this repetitive pattern going out throughout the rug. And with this rug here, you'll notice that the design is a little bit more abstract. There's no rhyme or reason to the design necessarily, but it just has more of an abstract feel to it to be able to fit in with modern home and modern decor. If you liked watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we feature a lot of great information about rugs. Thanks for watching.